Have you ever wondered if two particles could communicate faster than the speed of light? Welcome to the mind-boggling realm of quantum entanglement. It's a peculiar phenomenon where two particles become so deeply intertwined they can instantly affect each other, regardless of the distance separating them. Imagine tossing a pair of dice across the universe. If one shows a 6, the other will show a 1, instantaneously, no matter how far apart they are. It's as if the universe has a hidden layer of communication that sidesteps the speed of light. This phenomenon, as strange as it sounds, is not a fanciful hypothesis. It's a reality that has been experimentally confirmed time and again. It challenges our understanding of the universe, stretching the limits of what we thought was possible. This is the fascinating world of quantum entanglement. Intrigued? Stick around. To understand quantum entanglement, think of two particles as dance partners. As they whirl and twirl, their movements are in perfect harmony. They mirror each other, dancing in flawless synchrony. This is the dance of entanglement in the quantum world. Imagine a pair of particles that are created together. These particles, like our dancers, are entangled. That means they share a deep intrinsic connection that transcends the physical space between them. Now here's where the dance becomes even more fascinating. If one of these particles, or dancers, decides to spin in a particular direction, its partner will instantaneously spin in the opposite direction, regardless of the distance between them. Yes, you heard it right. This change is immediate. It's as if our dancers are connected by an invisible, unbreakable string. The moment one moves, the other responds. This instant response happens even if the dancers are on opposite ends of the universe. It's a phenomenon that defies our conventional understanding of space and time. Albert Einstein once referred to this as spooky action at a distance. Spooky indeed. But it's not magic, it's quantum mechanics. The rules that govern the tiny particles in our universe are different from those we're familiar with in our everyday world. It's important to note that this isn't about communication between the particles. There's no signal being sent from one to the other. It's an intrinsic link, a shared state that exists between them. The state of one is dependent on the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. This is the essence of quantum entanglement. It's an incredible, mind-bending phenomenon that challenges our understanding of reality. It's a dance of the universe, choreographed by the laws of quantum mechanics. So, just as dancers respond to each other's movements, so too do entangled particles, no matter how far apart they are. And now that we have a basic understanding, what does this mean for us and our understanding of the universe? Well, the implications of quantum entanglement are as wide-ranging as they are fascinating. Imagine a world where quantum computing becomes the norm, where computational power is exponentially greater than today's standards. This could transform everything from artificial intelligence to cryptography, making them faster and more efficient than ever before. But it doesn't stop there. Quantum entanglement could also revolutionize long-distance space communication. Entangled particles could potentially enable instantaneous communication across vast cosmic distances, breaking down barriers in space exploration. Yet we must remember, for all its potential, there's still so much we don't understand about quantum entanglement. It's a realm riddled with complexity and mystery, challenging our fundamental understanding of the universe. As we unravel these mysteries, we might just find that our reality is far more interconnected than we ever imagined. Quantum entanglement, while puzzling, promises to open new frontiers in science and technology. Quantum entanglement, a concept that even Albert Einstein called spooky action at a distance. We've delved into this peculiar phenomenon today, a concept that bends our understanding of the universe. At its core, quantum entanglement is the strange bond between particles, no matter the distance separating them, where the state of one instantly affects the state of the other. It's a concept that defies the traditional laws of physics, challenging our understanding of space and time. But the strangeness of quantum entanglement doesn't end there. Its implications for the future are vast, with potential applications in computing, communication, and even teleportation. Imagine a future where information travels instantaneously, defying the speed of light, or where teleportation is no longer the stuff of science fiction. While we may not fully understand quantum entanglement yet, its existence reminds us of the limitless possibilities of our universe. Thank you for joining us on this quantum journey.